Thank you for tuning in to Vaughn's on the Go here at Porcupine Place. We just got back from a fun trip, didn't we?
Yes.
And we went out to this place we saw on Facebook that's got all kinds of different types of wood, like hemlock and pine. And they got this German siding that's really cool. And so we wrote down a bunch of prices, and we're going to start mapping out, what we need for both interior and exterior finishes. But right now, Sammy's just cleaning up this area here so that we can put in the new door we bought. I guess it was the first trip that we came out. We bought the door, and so now we just got to see how to put it in. So the fun part begins.
Be an hour tops.
Yeah, sure. Little side note. Look what we got the other day. Yay. I know it's a bit of a waste of our solar power, but it's supposed to be a heat wave coming through in the 80s and 90s. So this little tiny cabin gets to about 110 in the heat. So that's the last thing we really want, is to sit in 110 temps in there. So we've got that. It doesn't draw as much as we thought it would. It's an inverter style, and I think it's rated to cool off 350 square feet, which should be plenty in our little cabin. Check on Sammy here. He's probably gathering all his tools.
Gathering tools.
Gathering tools. Do it.
Try and make less than 50 trips to the basement this project.
Good luck. Feel like I've been training for a strongman competition because I continue to move giant rocks from the property over to my pile here. Some of them are huge, so pretty excited by that. I'm also going to start gathering. We've got a lot of beautiful jasper, green jasper on the property, so I'm going to be gathering some of that as well, just to kind of plunk in between the bigger rocks and add a little bit of color. I gotta get you mic'd. I want to be able to hear all the language as we do this. Just realized that I'm just gonna have to take down my cute porcupine sign, because I think the door is gonna end up right here. Yeah, they really did enjoy using nails.
Well, this is the original cabin. That was well done. They're having a good time.
I know other people are out on their four-wheelers and stuff and cruising down the street and having fun. We're making a mess.
Hi.
I know every time I go to film, I can't find the little red button to hit record because it's so bright.
So bright, yeah. You come in here and it's like, I can't see anything.
So I gave it a valiant effort, but I could not get the nails out.
Oh, I see. There's still a few that.
Oh yeah, no, I couldn't get them.
Oh, I see what you meant. I thought you meant you couldn't get the.
No, I
Where's
couldn't
the
get
parts?
any of them.
Oh, okay.
I was able to pull one through, but the rest I just couldn't. And I hurt my finger. Can't see it, the bruise there, but
But it's coming.
yeah, you know when I burst like a little blood vessel in the joint?
Yeah.
That's what happened. I got him started for you.
Yes, you definitely did.
Woo! Hi.
Hello.
All right, let them swarm in.
Should I start the air conditioning?
Oh my goodness. Bugs are very, very bad over here. I think the bullfrogs are happy though. Lots of bugs for them. Ta-da!
There we are. So the goal is we're going to bring it over.
Okay.
And we'll get the bottom slipped in.
All right.
We'll stand it up. And then one of us is going to hold it.
Okay.
And we're going to just stick this 2x4 across in the impact driver, and there's some screws there. Okay?
Okay.
You're aiming to put the screw, where you
I'll
know.
probably hold it.
Okay. Whichever job you want.
I'll hold.
So, and then when we'll get it centered and where we want it, we'll mark where I've got to trim the siding so that and I wish the jam casing, whatever they call the trim that's around the outside of it, just so that it'll slip in, because we want to be up against the plywood.
Okay.
And then we'll take the door back out. I'll make the trim cut,
Okay.
and we'll be ready to put some caulking down and put it up in and actually install it.
Awesome.
I need to, so I'm kind of trying to square it so I can mark it so it'll slip in.
Oh, I see.
Because I'd have to caulk around the edge for now, but I would rather it not be a big half-inch gap or something that I was trying to fill.
Right. So we missed a little bit of the filming. I didn't realize that the GoPro was kind of knocked in our effort to get the door in, so it got shut off. But basically, Sam put caulking at the base. We sawed off all the edge of the siding. Hello.
Can you bring the impact gun when you come in?
I can definitely bring the impact gun when I come in. So basically, yeah, we've got the door in, and now we're going to go back into the inside, and we're going to secure this door on the inside. Oh, that closed nice.
Yeah.
I'm doing a terrible filming job, Sam.
Are you?
I am. I get thinking about like next steps, and then I forget I'm filming and holding a camera, and you've moved on to another task, and I'm still filming at the same spot I was a minute ago. Whoopsie. I can't even remember what style I got. Oh, I see. Okay, that's nice.
Don't remember what you bought.
No, like you buy it like 2 months ago or whatever it was when I guess it was a month ago.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've forgotten already. Sam was just looking at the instructions. I missed it. I wanted to get it on film that you were reading the instructions.
They're so small.
They're so small.
Nice. Yeah.
It's nice looking. You know what the problem is with having something this nice?
Looking at the rest of
The rest of the cabin looks
It'll
so
give
much
you
worse.
an idea for what the future looks.
Ta-da! And it's locked. It's unlocked.
Okay.
And we're done.
No, not quite.
Oh.
Kind of missing the other half of the latch.
Just a couple finishing touches. Got our little magnetic blind on here. And
so easy to put on.
yeah, they're nice, right?
Yeah.
So that concludes this project for now. I think it's beer o'clock. All right, let's do it.
I haven't fixed this fridge yet.
Thank you everyone for tuning in today and watching us install our brand new door here at camp. And don't forget to follow and like and subscribe.
What kind of YouTuber are you?
I'm the
Like
worst.
and subscribe.
Okay, please like and subscribe.